Backyard design and installation in Holbrook, New York. The backyard was lowered and we installed a 16 by 32 vinyl pool with concrete walls. The depth of the pool is from 43 inches to 5.5 feet. The pool is also equipped with an auto cover, and the patio and pool coping we use G39 marble pavers, select from the Gappsi natural stone collection. Landscape was modified. We added new flowers and plants. Clients are loving the pool. They had a comment about the pool getting too hot. Thanks to the auto cover, we installed stadium stairs in the shallow end of the pool. Latest swimming pool installation by Gappsi in Holbrook, New York.